Hey guys, what's going on? Cartoonist18 here, and I'm going to be showing you how to make the fastest strike car, and I'm using the Dodge Dart Super Stock, and I'm going to be showing you how to make it. So, here you need the most powerful engine in it. You need the V12 in it, then you need all-wheel drive, then you need twin turbos. Then for this, you can do anything you want with it. I put this in it, and then tires. You need race tires. I did full width for front and rear for the most grip. The rims, I had to find them. These ones, these are light as shit. Light. These are the Promo 5s. They look like they're in the first row. You look for the yellow rims, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. If you see that, when you see those, you look for those ones there. You look for those, and then one more. So you look for it's with this section. It's 1, 2, 3 down these ones. Then don't have to worry about the size at all. No size. This fully max it out completely. Just showing you first, and then brakes, you need brakes, suspension, lower it, this you need, this you need, this you need, and the weight as well. We'll bring it up. That's why you need the 1,515 horsepower, 1,100, 1,100 torque, 2,858. That's why you need the power. Then the fully max this engine out completely. I don't know why it's telling me that for, because I didn't do anything. This is confusing to me. Oh, and I had if you're wondering why I'm home, I had no school today, so that's why I'm making a video. So the tune you want, the front tire pressure needs to be 30.5, the rear tire pressure at 15.0. The gears at 2.54, then that's the final drive. First gear needs to be at 165, 1.65. Second gear needs to be 1.818. Third gear needs to be at 0.95. Fourth, 0.95. Fifth, 1.95. And sixth, 1.95. The alignment needs to be 0, 0.0, completely 0, then 4.1 for the front caster. Anti-roll bars as stiff as possible, 65.00, 65.00 again for the rear. Springs as soft as possible. You need to do like 1 down before it goes. Then the ride height, 8.7 in the front and 8.5 in the rear. Then for dampening you need 17.27, excuse me, 14.2. Then for bump stiffness you need, that was rear bumper stiffness, blah, sorry. Then you need bumper stiffness front 5.7, and then for the rear 5.2. Air you can leave alone, braking you can leave. Here's where then you need for acceleration all the way to 100%, deceleration at 0, rear acceleration all the way up to 100, then deceleration to 0, and 75% in the rear. And that's, you can make, I found a way to, get near to the highest, thing. I know it sounds weird, listen to that sound, so I'll get out of here. Then I'll go so you go here. Why is this here? Oh, if you want to add me on Xbox minus Car Thomas 18, and you can add me on, if you have an Xbox One, you can add me, so, yeah, when you have an Xbox One, if you have one, then me and you can be online together. Cause see, I have Xbox Live for 12 months. Oh yeah, I have Xbox Live. So, you go to Rivals, Festival Route Rivals, then you go to the Outback, then you go to the Mile Drive Strip. You go to whatever class you have, so mine is S298, and there you go. Sorry for the squeaking. Oh, sorry for the... It's my chair. Sometimes I don't like my chair sometimes. Can you see everything good, guys? If you can't, sorry. I'll be uploading it in a few. I just want to show you how fast it is. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes. So the last time I was trying this, the time I got, holy crap, it was so good. It was like see, there's the other guys, there. See how close we are? See how you shift so fast? See how close we are? And somehow I lost that. I have no idea how. Oh, by 33 seconds. That is really close. Should I retry it? What do you think? Should I? Yeah. I don't really care. I'm just showing you how fast it is. It's really fast for someone. First gear is long. The first couple gears are long, that's why. And the third and final gear. Come on, dodge! Come on! Neck and neck almost. When I Oh! Oh, that was so close. How close? 30. Oh my gosh, you know, that's actually the exact time I got before, a 19.820. Maybe if I can show you on the camera. Hold on, I can show you. I got the exact same time. With a different person though. Hold on. Look. See? The exact same. Hold on. See? The exact same time. A 19.820. That is crazy. So if you saw, I just saw the tip of my phone. I got some different games. Yeah. The game that you won't able to suggest for me is I have Give It Off Road. I don't remember what else. Dang. Yeah, 308. No thanks. I just want to show the car today. This car is really cool. Really fast. It's so weird for me not to talk for things. Oh, that is the newer one. Watch. Oh see, I'm already at 100 in first year. Hold on. I can't. See? I'm already at 100 in second. I'm already at 200. Oh god! Oh, I'm about to hit that car. I was so close about hitting that car. Holy crap! I might make a video on how to get to just for background sometime maybe. And I'm gonna hit it. Oh my gosh! Oh, there's another car I might show you that I made. Another freaking fast one. But this is just for... And I hit it. Oh gosh! In the field! Hold on, I want to see if this can do a burnout.